Hey everybody, I'm Anna Huthmaker from Huthmaker Violins. This is the next video in our Students Stuck at Home series. Now, I don't know about you, but here in Georgia, we're not stuck at home anymore. Some of us are still digital, some of us are going to school. But the thing that is happening this year is All-State. The GMBA has set the dates. We're definitely moving forward with All-State auditions, which means you need to start practicing your scales and your etudes, but most of all, you need to practice your sight reading. Now, a lot of you guys have this book already. We all call it the sight reading book. And these books are amazing, but the problem I see is that people don't know how to use the book. So this is what I want you to understand about these books. They are not in order of difficulty in terms of the easy ones are in the beginning and the hard ones are in the back. It's not like that at all. Instead, they go easy to difficult by time signature. So the 2-4 section of the book goes easy to difficult within 2-4. Then the 3-4 section of the book, easy to difficult, easy to difficult. And when you get to the end, the 5-16 section, so easy to difficult. So the point is, do not start at the beginning and work your way through. Start at the beginning, play one, flip it open randomly, play another one, flip it open randomly to the end. Random is the name of the game in this book, and that's super helpful if you can approach your sight reading with that in mind. The other thing I want you to know is these are fabulous excerpts. They mess with your mind with rhythms and shifting and that kind of thing. However, they are all 3 lines long, which is not great because I don't know about in your state, but in our state a lot of the sight reading is 4, 5, maybe even 6 lines long. So once you've started practicing your sight reading, then you get used to the idea of doing these little 3-line ones, then I want you to start doing 2 at a time. Practice looking at it for 30 seconds, learning all the fun stuff, the key signature, the shifting, all that kind of stuff, soaking it into your brain, and then playing 2 in a row. I want the hardest sight reading you ever see to be in the privacy of your own home. So use this book to challenge yourself. Also, don't forget, in my Student Stuck at Home series, there's 3 videos on sight reading, easy, intermediate, and hard. Study them all, no matter your level, because I promise you there's great stuff in all 3. I want you to be the best sight reader in the world, because in all honesty, that's actually what makes the difference between people who make All-State and people who don't make All-State. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, give me a holler at huthmakerviolins.com.